is weird. Anyone know what's happening here? Oh my god. Hello? Hey, it's Louisa, and I'm undercover. Yay! Although it pains me to say, I think you have improved. Where are we? This is the box. Anything can happen in the box. Look.
Oh, okay.
If I want to do ratchet drag next week, can you give me any tips?
If you want to do like memorable drag next week, I can give you some tips.
Burns. Sorry, I'm super excited when it's season. Oh, actually, I think there is something over there. Oh yeah, cool, I see it. Can you reach for it? Actually, you don't have any legs, or in fact, arms. Winner, winner, fruit salad dinner.